Alright, so we're doing a door handle, driver's side door handle on a Pontiac G6. These are actually pretty simple. You don't have to pull the door panel off. I didn't know that until I took the door panel off. So, yeah, you don't need to do that. Actually, I've never done one of these G6s before. I've done a lot of door handles in my career, but anyway. So, learn from my mistake. Do not take the door panel off. You don't have to on these unless something's really broke on yours. So first thing we'll do, now I did get a black one from Dorman. It's the only color they have that I know of, 83196. This car has been wrecked a few times and it's a delivery pizza car, so that's this side, and the other side even worse. So we're not too concerned that it's going to be black. If you are concerned about it, either have it painted. I don't know if anyone sells painted ones. You'd have to look it up, maybe eBay or somebody. Otherwise, you're going to have to either have it painted or just deal with black door handles. So that's what we're doing here. So we need, I think it's a Torx 25. And what we're going to do is go around the other side. To open the door up, we'll go around the other side, and I'll show you what we have to take off. So what you're after here is this little cover or plug in the door. Take a screwdriver, whatever you have, just take it off. And next thing we're going to do, I should have got this ready. You need a T25 with a small extension probably. And what we're doing is taking this bolt out inside there that holds the lock cover in place. And these door handles, believe it or not, just slide in and out. Yeah, looking for my light. Probably don't need it, I guess. So you just stick your T25 in that hole. And you get it till it's loose here. And what that does, it takes this cover off. Your lock cover. And now we're going to slide the new door. All these door handles do is slide in and out. So let me get the door handle real quick, and then we'll do that. Alright, so here's the new door handle. And the reason why you're taking this lock piece off is because it kind of blocks the door handle. All this door handle does is just slide in there and go pull forward. There we go. And you should feel it's kind of click in there, and then you should feel resistance, and we do. So this is the old one, which is the colored one, and to put this back in, just kind of lift up, and this slides behind there, like that, and then you can close it, and then all you have to do is just put that bolt back in. Now, if you have other, like if your door handle is still on there, but there's other issues, you have to take the door panel off. But we don't have any other issue with this car that I know of, so I'm going to go ahead and put this bolt back in. And it's probably really one of the easiest door handles you ever do in your entire life. Of course, it's kind of cheap, and that's probably why they break. This car has got one broken on the other side too. But what happened to my light? Alright, there you go. So that's tight now. So technically should be able to close the door. Closed, open. Closed, open. So that's all there really is to this job on these. Like a dummy, I took the door panel off because I'm so used to doing that, and couldn't figure out how it came off from the inside of the door. So I looked it up in the service manual, and sure enough, it's just a snap in and snap off. So don't forget to put your plug back in, and that's it. You're good to go after that. So probably one of the shortest videos I've ever done, but that's all there is to it. To put a door handle on a Pontiac G6. I believe it's 2005, 2009, somewhere in there. So yep, that's it. I guess We'll see you on the next one. Have a good day, and as always, God bless. And thanks for watching.